What are top 5 international English language tests that you can take for study, work, and immigration? Let's answer that question. Number 1 is IELTS. It stands for International English Language Testing System. It's one of the most popular English language tests globally. There are 2 types of IELTS test: academic, for higher education and professional registration, and general training, for work experience, immigration, or training programs. IELTS is scored on a 9-band scale. The test takes about 2 hours 45 minutes to complete. A unique feature about IELTS is that the speaking part is done face-to-face with a certified examiner, which can be more interactive than in computer-based tests. Second test is CEPLIL. It stands for Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program. There are 2 types of CEPLIL test: CEPLIL General for immigration and professional purposes, and CEPLIL General LS. LS stands for listening and speaking, and it's used for citizenship applications. The test is scored on a 12-point scale. The test lasts about 3 hours with no breaks between the sessions. A unique feature about this test is that CEPLIL is completely computer-based, including the speaking part, which is recorded into the computer's microphone. Test number 3 is TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language. TOEFL is primarily used for university admissions, particularly in the US. The most common format is TOEFL IBT, Internet-based test. TOEFL IBT is scored out of 120 points. The test takes about 3 hours to complete. A unique feature about TOEFL is that it's heavily focused on academic language, which is ideal for students applying to universities. Test number 4, PTE, Pearson Test of English Academic. PTE is a computer-based English language test that is recognized by many universities, institutions, and governments. Just like CEPLIL, PTE is entirely computer-based, including the speaking section. The test is scored on a scale from 10 to 90. It takes approximately 3 hours to complete. A unique feature about this test is that PTE provides results quickly, usually within 48 hours. Test number 5 is DUOLINGUO test. It's an online, computer-based test that is gaining recognition among universities and institutions worldwide. The test is online and adaptive, meaning the difficulty adapts and adjusts according to your performance. Duolingo English test is scored on a scale from 10 to 160. The test takes about 1 hour to complete. Some unique features of this test. The test is highly accessible. You can take it from your home, online. The results are available within 48 hours. And it also includes a video interview and a writing sample, which are sent to the institutions and potential employers along with a score. Which test did you like the most, and which one are you planning to take? Write in the comments below. Do you have any other questions about these tests? Let me know in the comments below. If you want professional guidance in test preparation, and if you want somebody to correct your mistakes, you can always book a session with me online. The first trial session is free. Let's meet online and discuss your language goals. Good luck!